Hello, my name is Kanji Coder. You're on video 889, BFJ 189. Source code is here. It is the fast code review time. So inside of the bomb thought function section within our bomb putter for when we're in simulation mode, when we're in game mode, we have finished this function. So if we scroll down here, I removed the error that was right here. And then scrolling down, we had to do a lot of reordering of stuff. So our calculation for dpx, dpy has been slightly gutted because we extracted dpx 128 and dpy 128 from here. And also, these would need to be pluses. I think there were commas in the previous video because I was a complete idiot. What is dpx, dpy? Well, it's a local coordinate somewhere within our 128 by 128 cluster of memory that encodes all of the data for one room's worth of data. And we're calculating it up here, dpx 128, dpy 128. So the diagonal offset to the data, plus the lateral offset to the data, plus level local x and level local y will give us a value 0 to 127 inclusive for where we are on our MIP-mapped-like data structure encoded in the pixel memory that encodes the geometry, bomb, and fata tiles for one room worth of data. Okay, so let's scroll down here. So right here, we're going to take dpx and dpy, we're going to bit pack it into a 14-bit number. So we have to shift over dpx all the way to the left because we're going to do things in network bit order, and then we're going to glue it together with a bitwise OR, and right shift by 0, so this math is interpreted as unsigned logic because it's JavaScript, and JavaScript is weird. Output dpxy 128, and then right here, you can see us spitting it out right here. So we have some diagrams and footnotes, and if you want a longer explanation, you will have to go to the 10-minute version of this video on Ninja Playlist 9. You are on Kanji Playlist 9. Source code is here, ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. I am making a game engine, a fully destructible fractal geometry, side-scroller, Bomberman MMO. Like, subscribe, and follow if you want to see how I'm making a game engine or you just want to follow the progress. Like, subscribe, and follow. I am Kanji Coder.